Konnekt K100 system on-site installation video. When receiving the staircases on site, ensure that all protection materials are intact and visually inspect the balustrades before any lifting takes place. Constant care is required to prevent damage to the balustrades as they are not as tough as concrete stairs. Ensure that the lifting of the staircases is only via the correct method in the stair treads. The tools required for installation are Allen keys, spirit level, tape measure. Carefully position the stair flights when lowering them into place. Pay particular attention to the set distance across the well, the gap between flights, and the alignment of each flight with its adjacent flight. The handrail will act as a physical guide during the flight installation process. Careful attention to the drawing layout is critical here. As the flights are lowered into position, manipulate the handrails apart at the wreath to locate the male and female connection. To assist with the alignment of the flights, there is both lateral and vertical flexibility within the system. If necessary, when the concrete flight is in position, loosen off the main baluster fixing bolts to allow the frames on adjacent flights to be aligned with each other. Once the wreath connectors have been successfully located and the balustrades of the flights are level and aligned, tighten the handrail connecting bolt to pull the wreath joint together. Finally, ensure the main baluster fixings are tightened and secure. Take care not to leave any unguarded edges at the top or bottom of the flights, remembering your personal safety at all times. The stairs can be used immediately after installation, where finishing and final checks can also be performed.
The speed, safety, and simplicity of the K100 system enables effective off-site construction.